As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? It is Cole over at Cuda's Diecast Customs. Welcome back to our third month of our 500 subscriber giveaway. So, I'm doing this video a little earlier before I post it, and as of right now, I'm at about 251. But by the time I post this, I bet we're going to be at 290, maybe even 300. I hope at least. Anyways, guys, I wanted to update you and remind you that July is our goal. If we can hit July, 5 more prizes will be added to our bunch. But, speaking of prizes, this month's prize, there are 2. And I wanted to thank our friend Wade for not giving these to give away, but my decision to give them away. So, if you remember back a while ago, there was that mail call video at the end of that Corvette video. So, there was a couple of the cars, there was a couple of doubles, and a couple that I already had. So, I already got 2 sitting here to my left that I'll show you in a minute. But as a reminder, February's giveaway prize is this Jeep. As you see here, not much is done. It's still in pieces. I haven't thought of an idea yet, but I got an idea and I'm ready to take it on. So this and one of these you'll get. That was the first prize. Put that off to the side. That will be finished, by the way. Second prize was this Johnny Lightning's double pack. Remember, it's the 69 Chevy Camaro RS SS and the 70 Dodge Corvette Super B. Very cool. Now, to this month's build, guys. I am giving away a Muscle Machines 70 Cuda. I have one of these, so I thought it would be appropriate to give you guys one of these. In-card. Package is pretty good, just a little dusty. And that's the first prize that you guys will be getting. And second will be this big time muscle 69 Dodge Dart GTS. Very cool. Very different. I haven't seen a big time muscle car in a long time. So whoever's going to win is going to get a pretty cool car. So guys, that was my update for this month. And I hope you guys are getting excited. And make sure to share, like, and follow. If we get to July or beforehand, I'll be adding 5 more prizes. Just remember. So this is this month's build. Well, giveaway, my bad. So I hope you guys are excited like I am. And let's keep bouncing those numbers up so we can give away some cool stuff. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.